Namo Namah. Welcome to NJCF. Friends, in this video, we will discuss division word problems. Here you can see we have some questions, some word problems, and we will solve these problems using idea of division. Before we start, you can pause the video, read the question, and try to solve the question and try to solve this first question yourself. Okay, the question is 50 copies distributed equally among 10 children. So here we have number of copies 50. So here we have number of copies 50 and these copies distributed equally among 10 children. So we have 10 children and we have 50 copies. We want to distribute them equally among these 10 children. Now the question is, how many copies did each child get? So friends, if we want to distribute, it means we want to divide, and to divide means we have to use division. So these 50 copies will be divided equally among 10 children. So we have to make 10 equal parts of these 50 copies. So let's do it. For that we have to do division. So 50 copies. We will write 50 here and we want to divide among 10 children. So we will divide 50 by 10. First we have 5. We cannot divide 5 by 10. So we will write 0. 10 into 0. We have 0. Now 5 minus 0 is 5. And bring this 0 down. So now we have 50. And 50 is divisible by 10. It means we can divide this 50 by 10. 10 5s are 50. So 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. Hence we can say that each child got or each child received 5 copies. So this is our answer. Each child got 5 copies. Each child got 5 copies. So when you read the question, you can decide if you can solve this question by using addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. And here we can read word distributed. It means we have to use division. This way we can get the idea how we can solve the question. Let's move to the next question. Again pause the video, read the question and try to solve yourself. Okay, the question is, groups of 7 books are formed out of 267 books. How many groups can be formed and how many books will be left? So again we have 267 books and we want to divide this all the books in groups of 7 books. So 7, 7, 7. This way we have to divide all these books. So divide means division. And again we have one more hint. How many books will be left? It means we will be left with some books. That will be our remainder. So let's divide 267 divide by 7. We have first 2 here. And as we know, 2 is not divisible by 7. And as we know, 2 is not divisible by 7. So we'll put 0 here. 7 into 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Bring this 6 down. Now we have 26. Now reach up to 26 in table of 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So we'll go with 7 3s are 28 is bigger than 26. So we'll go with 7 3s are 21. Let's subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Now bring this 7 down. We have 57. Go up to 57 in table of 7. So 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. So 7 8s are 56, which is nearest number to 57. Now 7 minus 6, 1. It means one book will be left, and we can create 38 groups. So this is the answer of this first question. How many groups can be formed? So 38 groups can be formed. And how many books will be left? One book will be left. So we can write 38 groups can be formed. 38 groups can be formed, and one book will be left as balance. So one book left. One more question. Here you can see two questions. So again, stop the video and try to solve these two questions. A train covers 630 km distance in 7 hours with a uniform speed. It means the speed will remain same. What was the per hour speed of the train? So train ran for 630 km in 7 hours. And we want to find per hour speed, means speed of 1 hour. Per hour means 1 hour. So we have to divide this total kilometer distance in 7 equal parts, as we have 7 hours. So for that we have to divide 630 by 7. 630. So we have to divide 630 by 7. 630 divide by 7. We cannot divide 6 by 7. So here 0. 7 zeros 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. Bring this 3 down. We have 63. And we know that 7 nines are 63. So 63 minus 63 is 0. We have one more 0 to go. So we can say 7 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0. Again the answer is 0. So our answer is 90. The speed of the train was 90 kilometer per hour. 90 kilometer per hour. And this speed we can denote this way also, 90 kilometer per hour. For kilometer we have written km, and for hour we have written h. So 90 kilometer per hour. Instead of writing per, we can use this symbol to show the speed of any vehicle. Next question. A person has 714 toffees. If he distributes 3 toffees to each child, so we want to distribute 714 toffees among some children, and the person want to give 3 toffees to each child, and we want to find number of children. Again, for that we have to do the division. So 714 divide by 3. First we want to divide this 7 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring this 1 down. Now we have 11. So 3 3s are 9. Subtract 9 from 11. We have 2. Bring this 4 down. So 24. And 3 8s are 24. So 24 minus 24 is 0. Now the question, how many children will receive toffees? We can write 238 children. 238 children will receive toffees. 238 children will receive toffees. Here we have fifth and the last question. There are 924 plants of tomatoes in a nursery. 924 plants. If 4 plants are planted in each row, then how many rows will be formed to plant all plants? So we want to plant 4 tomatoes in each row. So in one row we have 4 tomatoes. In second row we have more 4 tomatoes. So 4 plus 4, 8. This way we have to go up to 924 plants. And if we draw and make rows of 4 plants, we will require more space here. Now instead of drawing, we can find the answer by using idea of division. So 924 divided by 4. We have 9 here. So 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring this 2 down. Now 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 12 minus 12, 0. Bring this 4 down. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 231. How many rows will be formed? So 231 rows will be formed. 231 rows will be formed. So friends, this way we can solve word problems using idea of subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Now you know all the 4 ways to solve word problems. So whenever you start to solve word problems, read the question carefully and then decide which operation you want to use to solve this mathematical problem. So here we are done with the chapter division. In the next video, we will start to learn something new in mathematics. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.